calibration according to proper weight when installing the product. On the site, all workers must wear the helmet, obey the commands of the site lifting commander, and prepare such tools as electric wrench, crowbar and wrench in advance as required. Ton combined concrete powder storehouse as an example. Select the sheet of small and middle corns. Take the small corn number A02 as an example. The numbers of the 4 sheets of middle corn are A02, B02, B02, C02, C02, D02, D02, A02 respectively. Assembly of middle corn. Correspondingly place the adjacent sides of 4 sheets of middle corn as per A02 for A02, B02 for B02, C02 for C02, and D02 for D02. Insert the sponge rubber strips in center joint. All strips must protrude 5 to 10 cm beyond the workpiece, and then install the bolt. The middle corn of split storehouse is assembled completely after 4 sheets are connected and the bolts are tightened. 4 sheets of large corn are assembled according to the assembly method of middle corn. Small corn is a single welded part, therefore it is not required to assemble by sheet. Properly connect small corn and hoist, tripod, wire rope and fixtures. Ensure the hoist tonnage, and then lift the small corn, which must align with the flange indication arrow at small mouth end of assembled middle corn. Insert the sponge rubber strips in middle joint. Apply the sealant at connection of transverse joint and longitudinal joint. And finally tighten the bolts as well. Lift the combination of small corn and middle corn and use the same method to connect the large corn as well. Apply the sealant at connection of a transverse joint and longitudinal joint. Thus, whole split lower corn is assembled completely. The upper corn is assembled in accordance with the assembly method of lower corn and middle corn. It is not needed to number each sheet of corn upper shell, but each section should be connected by brick masonry. That is, 4 connection longitudinal joints of the first section are located at the middle of each sheet of the second section. The cross-connection method is applicable for 3rd, 4th, 5th and 6th sections as well as upper corn. The installation joints of a storehouse body shall be also filled with a sponge and a sealant, and then bolted tightly. The combination of a shell and upper corn is installed in accordance with the installation method of a shell. Connect each leg flange with the foundation flange of lower column for storehouse body. Note the direction of bracing connection plates and do not tighten the screws. Connect horizontal and a bracing channel onto the line. Adjust its size. Tighten the bolt. And then put it on the platform. Install and weld the fitting pipes at corresponding locations. Weld external ladder according to corresponding direction, and then bolt the rails. Weld upper and lower level bases according to ladder size. Install the arch braking airbase and gas accumulator of lower cone. Tighten all bolts of the tank body once before installation of the vertical beam. Bolts may be loose due to a stack of beam and a disturbance of the beam body. When lifting the vertical beam, the beams with a 13-ton or more shall be lifted by more than 50-ton crane. In addition, one more than 16-ton crane is used to lift the rear legs.